Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing absolutely great. Thank you so much. Um, what's your name? How about you? Where are you from?
My name is
Like, share.
Pothik.
Pothik?
Yeah, yeah,
Pothik.
Pothik.
What does that mean? What does that mean, Pothik?
It means pedestrian.
Oh, where are you from, Pothik?
I'm from Bangladesh. What about you?
Bang Bangladesh, yes. You look pretty young too. You look pretty young too.
Yeah, I have baby
Like,
face.
yes. I think
Where are you from?
I'm from Iran.
Iraq?
Iran.
Yeah,
I R
yeah, Iran.
A N.
Iran, I know. A
Iran.
Muslim country, I know. Yeah, yeah, I know. You know,
Muslim.
Muslim country, yeah, I know. The
Yeah.
previous president, I don't know, has been killed in air, I mean, in plane.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah. Yes. He died.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's
Unfortunately,
okay.
he died.
Yeah, he died. Well, what about Bangladesh? Is things alright there? Are things good there?
Actually, it becomes better than before.
I see. Like
Yeah.
the economy?
Y- You know, mm, we are on developing. The economic condition is not going well because, for many days, the India disclosed the bank. I mean, in Bankman, the people of Bangladesh were afflicted with flood.
I see. I think protests been going on. It was in Bangladesh? Or am I wrong? It was in Venezuela, I think. It was Bangladesh? I don't remember. I saw news about protests, people
Yeah,
protesting
yeah,
against
yeah.
the.
The students of Bangladesh were protesting for their rights. I mean, in government sector, they were protesting against quota system. Quota system is something the children of freedom fighters will get more privileged in government job rather than generally student.
Um, right, right. I mean, which city do you live at?
Yeah, I live in
Bangladesh.
Dhaka.
Dhaka?
Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh.
Dhaka. Can you spell it?
Okay, let me.
Like you spelled it there? Dhaka? Dhaka?
Dhaka,
Like
yeah,
that? Dhaka. Yes,
yeah,
Dhaka. This.
yeah.
I live in Tehran. Like Tehran.
Dhaka,
This is the
Dhaka.
capital.
Yeah, yeah. The capital of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Is Bangladesh close to your country? I mean, I should look it up. I don't know if you're close to us. You're in Asia, like,
Yeah,
but you're close to Asia, right?
yeah. Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Myanmar.
Yes. Are you close to like Pakistan? You close to Pakistan because Pakistan is our neighbor,
Yeah,
like
yeah. India
Iran's
in
neighbor.
Bangladesh is near to India.
Oh, okay.
But we Bangladesh were in at one state which was called Pakistan. We got freedom from Pakistan. Now we are.
Uh, I mean, Pakistan was. It was some point that Pakistan was a part of India.
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying that.
They got.
Yeah, I'm saying India, Pakistan, Bangladesh were in one country which was called India. Only India.
Yes, I see.
Yeah, and
When did
after.
you when did you do the separation? When the separation happened? Bangladesh. I'm looking it up.
Yeah.
Okay. So
It,
I see it's pretty interesting.
Anti,
Like,
yeah, Anti Jamilatun Jeddah.
oh, thank you so much. You said I look pretty, right? I
Mm,
know a little bit Arabic,
yeah.
but my first language is like Farsi. Like
Fa-
that's Arabic.
Farsi.
We speak Farsi. Like in Farsi, we say, خیلی خوشگلی, خیلی nazi.
Yeah.
It means like you look beautiful.
Yeah, you know,
Yes.
I don't know Farsi, but I know a little bit Hindi.
Hindi?
Yeah,
Well,
Hindi.
like you do not speak Hindi. What language do you speak then? Because you just separated. What language do you
Yeah,
speak in
generally we speak Bengali in Bangladesh.
Bengal? Ah, ooh.
But if I talk about India, maybe you know India have many languages. But
I mean, what makes you to separate? What was the reason for you to separate from India?
yeah, yeah, I'm
I mean,
saying,
like, other Pakistanis, they are like crazy Muslims.
yeah, you
But
know,
what about you guys?
I'm saying you. So first of all, India dominated entirely Pakistan as well as Bangladesh, and also the Pakistani people are deprived of their political rights, financial rights, self-defense from everything, and that's why the Pakistani people, Pakistani authority wanted to separate from India.
What about you? Because you got separated from, like, I have a question. Are you Muslim?
Yeah, yeah, I'm a Muslim.
I am Muslim, so I see. Well, I'm not. Well, so you're Muslim, but what makes you to separate from Pakistan? Because you are Muslim as well. They are Muslim. Like it seems like you are following the same rule. Why?
Yeah,
What that happened?
but I said the
Uh huh.
same condition happened between Bangladesh and Pakistan. The
I see.
Pakistani people took more opportunities than Bangladeshi people.
There's people trying so hard to make a separation between people of Iran, but we are just so twisted together. Like, for example, like our neighbor, we have variety of neighbors, like variety of languages. Like we have someone here talks like a Baluch. We have someone here who talks Turkey. Someone is Kurd. Like my mom's like best friend. She's from San Andreas, and we're pretty good together. So that's kind of impossible later on to happen. I hope so. Yes, I am from
So
Iran.
you right now in Iran?
Yes, yes. We have Arab people as well. Like in Khuzestan is near to Persian Gulf. Like we have Arab people there as well. Like
Yeah,
we've got everything.
and
It's
that's
so
why
twisted.
I heard that many Irani people speak Arabic as well.
Yes, we have like in especially I just as I told you, especially in south of Iran, near to Persian Gulf, we got Arab people as well. Most of people there are Arab and Bakhtiyari, like two ethnicity, like they're Arab and Bakhtiyari, like low. Yes, they live together.
Yeah, yeah.
Fars people are Muslim. Iran, Tehran, you can find them. You know, well, English is not like because we do not have lots of tourists in Iran. Like we do not have lots of tourists. It's not in like in many European countries or many other countries. Like they have a lot of tourists. Like there are a lot of English speakers. Like come and go like that, so they have the opportunity to talk to them and improve their English, but it's not happening in Iran. That's why we cannot find many Iranians who can speak English. But I think the young generation, like they do speak English. Like in my generation when I was in high school, like I was the only one who was practicing English. It was me and two other my friends. But right now, like you see these people, like you barely find a kid who cannot speak. Like most of them practicing English, and yes, you should speak to kids.
Yeah.
Like they are better than us. But well, I'm an English teacher, so I should know how to speak.
So
I need to know how to
you
speak.
are a English teacher, English trainer?
Yeah, I'm an English teacher in Iran. Yes, I
Really?
teach English.
So
Yes,
I,
but
maybe
come on, you cannot say I speak good English and I have a good accent too.
yeah,
So,
I have to stay with you for knowing English because you are English teacher. I'm just a student. I'm practicing. You are teacher.
yes, I'm a teacher. You're not supporting the government. Like the government is not into our liking. Like most of Iranians are not satisfied with the government. Well, that's true. We just don't like them. We just don't care about them. Yes, he just mentioned about something happened to a president. I was like, okay, okay. So we just don't do care because they don't care about us. They really don't care about. Oh my God, Michael Jackson song. I don't want to say that. They don't really care about us. They do not care about us, so we don't care about them. At some point, we just like go leave it to God. Thank you. I appreciate it. But I was gonna say that. But in Iran, like the government, it's so crazy that the government tried in Iran, really tried so hard to make a separation from Iranian people to make us like Fars people hate Turk people, like Turk people hate Kurd people. They do like the government trying to do it, and that's crazy. Like but people just, I just told you, we are having a really good relationship with each other. We like each other. We move to, like, we do a lot of trip to
Hmm.
cities and we enjoy each other. And that's, I hope it's going to be a fail, uh, I don't know, plan.
You
Bring me
know,
up.
if the current government of Iran is supportive, then it's okay for everyone, maybe.
Like, maybe. But another thing is about Iranian. Most Iranian, especially young generation, they do not believe in Islam. Like we are Islamic country, we have Islamic rules. Unfortunately, like we have to wear hijab and stuff when we go out. Like if I go out, I should wear my shawl, like scarf.